How to fix Steam Remote Play lag. What's up everyone? For today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix Steam Remote Play lag on your own. So fixing remote play lag can involve several steps to optimize your network and system performance. So here are some suggestions to help reduce lag. First is to check the server latency. If you're attempting to connect to a server that is geographically distant, or if you're not using a high-speed connection, it is important to check the server's latency in the server browser. Secondly is to check content server region. Gamers such as Left 4 Dead automatically detect which region you are in, helping to determine the best server to connect you to. You can double check your region by starting Steam, going to Steam settings and then Downloads tab. And under Download region, select region that you are in or the one that is closest to you. Third is to examine background applications and running processes. Background applications, especially programs which require bandwidth, may contribute to choppy gameplay, a low frame rate, and other symptoms of lag. You can refer to the program which may interfere with Steam topic for instructions to disable any unnecessary background applications before loading Steam. Lastly, optimize router settings and environment. It is important to maintain an appropriate environment for your router and other electronics. Ideally, your router should be in a well ventilated area where it will not overheat. And that is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching.